Hello friends, welcome to UPSC Logics and my name is Siddharth and now we are going to discuss the impact of Swadeshi movement. So in the last video we have seen the course of Swadeshi movement, which was the origin of the Swadeshi movement, the launching of the movement, the Vande Mataram theme and the creative use of festival and melas. So in this video we are going to have a look at the economic impact that the movement made, then the cultural impact, then the artistic and scientific impact and the political impact. So let us begin this topic. So let us have a look at the economic impact first. And Swadeshi meant using homemade goods and boycotting foreign goods. So this particular period saw mushrooming of Swadeshi textile mills, then soap and match factories, tanneries, banks, insurance companies, shops, etc. So you name it, people started doing those businesses. But not many of these businesses survived due to a lack of business acumen. So what was happening that people were opening lot of businesses because they were really responding to the call of Swadeshi or to manufacture their own goods, but they did not really have the business acumen, and most of these businesses therefore did not survive. Some of the businesses like the Bengal chemical factory that was started by PC Acharya actually became successful and famous, and due to the economic policies of the British, the Indian craftsmen were reduced to the status of farm laborers. So we know that the British had been supplying cheap goods in India and the local artisans could not match up with their goods and therefore they were reduced to farm laborers. And because of the Swadeshi movement, they were able to get their work back. Now let us have a look at the cultural impact. And as we have seen in the last video that Rabindranath Tagore jumped into the movement at the very beginning and he composed songs, wrote essays, wrote in periodicals that really inspired people. So the songs composed at that time by Rabindranath Tagore, then Rajnikant Sen, Divyen Lal Ray, Mukunda, Sayyid Abu Muhammad and others became the spirit of nationalists. In fact, Rabindranath's Amar Sonar Bangla that was written during this time inspired the liberation efforts in Bangladesh and later became the national anthem of the country in 1971. Then the influence can also be seen in the Bengali folk music that is popular among the masses. So the influence of Swadeshi came into the Bengali folk music at that time, and this music is still popular with the masses. And it wasn't just music which was inspired by the Swadeshi movement. In fact, literature also got the Indian fairy tales like Thakur Mar Jhuli, which means grandmother's tales, and this was written by Dakshin Ranjan Mitra Majumdar. Now, the Swadeshi did not only impact the culture or the economics, it also impacted the artistic and scientific fields. So, Rabindranath Tagore broke the domination of the Victorian naturalism over the Indian art, and we know that Rabindranath Tagore was a multifaceted personality, so he started dabbling in art. Then Nandlal Bose was offered a scholarship by the Indian Society of Oriental Arts that was founded in 1907, and Jagdish Chand Bose, whose work with plants is well renowned all over the world. Then Praful Chand Ray and others pioneered the original research that was praised all over the world. Now the last but not the least was the political impact. And perhaps the political impact was the most important part as it created great enthusiasm among the people and really created a spirit of nationalism that was lacking in most people till that point of time. So students boycotted government schools and colleges, organized meeting and demonstrations, picketed shops and burned foreign goods, and there was an active participation of women as well. So they marched shoulder to shoulder with men in processions, demonstrations, meeting, the Prabhat fairies, and picketing and bonfires of foreign good. And the biggest thing was that it encouraged nationalism and patriotism. So Swadeshi movement in its whole was a success in making the nation come together against the British. So friends, this brings us to the end of this video on the impact of Swadeshi movement. And we have seen that the Swadeshi movement in itself was a success if we have a look at the kind of people it touched and the creation of nationalistic feeling among the people. So thank you so much for watching and do like and subscribe to the channel. And in the next video we shall have a look at the origin of the Surat split. So keep watching and do like and subscribe to the channel if you are watching it for the first time. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications from UPSC Logics. Thank you so much for watching and Jai Hind.